School is out. I'm about to do an oil change on my truck. I got my dirty clothes on. So right now I'm just driving around warming up the oil. So when I do drain it, it'll flow a lot easier. Alright, ready to do an oil change. Gotta take off this cap first. Cool. And then I laid out everything. Goddamn wind. Ugh. God, I hate using this paper. I gotta tape it down or something. It's so goddamn windy. Here it is. Gotta loosen this nut, this bolt. Hold up, wrong way. Oh! God dang. It's stuck. Oh no, I broke it. Then you gotta loosen it in by your fingers. God damn, loose my thing. And then you just drop that nut, that bolt, just let it drain. There you go. Look how black that oil is. That's nasty. Alright, we're gonna let that drain for a bit. When that's done, you want to tighten this. You know, clean it before you put it back. Use like a shirt or a rag. I use this shirt. And then you want to tighten this. Make sure you go the right way. Don't over tighten this. It's going to be a pain to take it out next time. It should be good enough. Now, next is the oil filter. So, this is the oil filter right here. It's pretty much right behind the right wheel. To take this off, you just use your hand, rotate it counterclockwise. It should just come off with just your hand. If not, you gotta get that tool, probably for like $5. And Toyota, why do you have to put the goddamn oil filter right here, right upside down? After I loosen it, right here, you can see the oil is dripping down already. It's going down my arm. I didn't even get to take it off yet. Can't you just put the oil filter somewhere easier, less messy, please? Anyway, just keep loosening it. And inside, the oil is really hot. So, be careful. Don't drop this. There you go. Then you just dump it right here into the oil pan. Next, you want to get your oil filter ready. Dip your finger into the oil and then just spread it around this rubber gasket. This is to ensure that it'll seal very nicely. After that, you're going to put the oil filter back. And then with this, you're just going to hand tighten it. You don't need any tools, so just tighten it with your hand. Oh, don't over tighten this either. It's gonna be a real big hassle, especially in a position like this. So once it stops, all you need is a quarter turn like this and you're good. So don't over tighten it. See, I can still loosen this, show you again. So once it stops, like that, quarter turn, that's it. Now you're gonna put in the oil, get your funnel ready, just pour it in. For me, I put 4.5. I've seen some people on the forum, they put 5 quarts, but I don't know. You can check by using the oil stick, whatever it's called, dipstick. And to know that, you want to keep it in between these 2 dots. Put that back. After all that, you know, just tighten the cap. Then you want to start your engine. But before that, you want to get rid of the maintenance light. Well, I can't show you because you need 2 hands for this. Okay, to restart it, you want to make sure that your meter, it says that it's on the ODO, so your total miles. And then you just turn it off. That's when you want to hold this trigger and turn on the engine. But when you turn it on, you gotta press and hold it, and then the light will turn off. But I already done that because I want to get rid of that light. Then after that, just want to reset your miles for the oil one. Well, I have trip A for my gasoline for like per tank. This is for the oil. That's overall. Then you just want to start your engine. Don't stall. Let go. Yeah. So now I'm heading to AutoZone. I'm gonna drop the oil off. I got newspaper laid all over the floor because, you know, I don't want to get the floor mats all dirty. So I'm heading towards AutoZone, dumping it, and then you're done. That's how you do an oil change.